Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful, exciting episode of this YouTube channel. Okay, in today's video I will be showing you how to make no less than 2,000 naira daily with your mobile phone at the comfort of your house using this few method. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, before we proceed, I would say you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified anytime we upload new videos, and then like our videos and also share if you can. We appreciate that though. Alright, so without much talk, let's go straight to the point. Okay, the website we are going to use in doing this, I'm going to show you the simple step in which you use in doing this. You just have to go to your Chrome or Safari and you search on inbox cash right here, INB. You can use your Chrome, you can use your Safari, you can use your Google, you can use Opera Mini, but for me, I'm using Safari. That's on iOS users. Okay, cash inbox cash.com. Right, so once you have started this website, it's going to bring you to this page. Here I have to log in, and if you don't have your account yet, like just as I am, I don't have an account on this yet, so I will just click on this. It says if you are not a member yet, click here to register. So I'm clicking here. It's going to take me here where I'll just register and fill in my information. Okay, let's, without much time, let's do this. Okay, this is my name, my email, my password. Refer that this is not really necessary. Okay, I'm not a bot. Just have to fill in this captcha. Okay, dictated content Nigeria. You have to, oh sorry. Okay, this is it. Okay, this username is taken. I have to switch username. Let me put a digit in the front of it. So this shows that you have to use a username that is not used by anyone yet. This one too will be taken. Okay, let me use something more. Okay. Your username must be between 3 and 20. It can only consist of half numeric. Okay, I used a symbol, that's why they declined it. Let's check this out. Yeah, so this it actually works. So the account will be registered. This is a link. They will send a link to your email. You have to go and verify your account. You also go to our Gmail here. Well, as you can see, this is the inbox here. This is the inbox that inbox cash gave me. Now just have to click this link and register to verify your account so you can access it through your Chrome. Alright, operation successful. You be redirected. Okay, this is it. You have to log in again. Okay, verification code will be sent to your email. It will be valid for 30 minutes. Enter the code to continue. Okay, I just have to go to my email. I have to go to my email and copy this. Okay, this is a code here. Alright, with this, my account has been successfully verified and opened. Okay, this is here. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's go straight on how to make money with this website. You can actually see that right now I have $0.0 that is noticed in the account because it's a new account. The account is actually new. So before you start earning on this account, all you need to do is to scroll down and here and click on how it works. Click on it. Okay, here it is simple. It's almost a drop for you how it works. Okay, simple. We send email on behalf of our advertisers. You can open and click on those emails after staying on the advertiser's website for a short amount of time. You get paid. That is it. Okay, you are not required to buy anything. These are just the website is giving you a clear definition of how they work. So all you have to do now, the email will be sent to your email. Mails are going to be sent to your email on behalf of their advertisers. So what you have to do is just to go click the mail, stay on the website for some time, and actually you get paid. Okay, let's go look at it. Alright, so you just have to go to your Gmail and see a link that they sent to you, and I think this is it. I've opened it already. You must read the link. So you just have to click on the link there, and you'll be paid $0.14 per review. Depends on how long you spent on the website they give you to review, and the money will be deposited directly to your wallet. Okay, now most people are asking, if this money is deposited, how do I withdraw it? How do I make use of it? How do I get it out? Okay, it's a simple process. Just have to click on this withdraw button here. Click on it from here. You can actually see it. This is the minimum amount you can withdraw. The minimum amount you can withdraw is $0.200. So here, if you want to withdraw it, you just have to, for main account, you have to select. You can use pay, you can use this other payments. There are two methods of payments there. Yeah, I prefer using this account. It's the simplest. You just have to put how much you want to withdraw. Okay, 0.090. Okay, you have to add your account here. Add your account information and save it, and then you will be credited directly. Actually, if you can do this daily, you can make more than 5,000 naira a day with just viewing sites and spending time on them. Actually, I hope you love this video. Once again, if I also if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share this video so you won't be missing out any of our new videos. I bet you don't want to miss anyone. Thank you.